Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I have a 10 by 10 stretched canvas. I'm going to be using up leftover paints from the day. I have about 8 different colors mixed in this one cup. So who knows how it's going to turn out, but I didn't want to waste any paint. I have added Spot On treadmill lubricant to these paints so we can get some cells, hopefully. So let's begin. Just let this sit here for a moment. There's no rhyme or reason to any of these colors. A lot of them don't go together at all. Hopefully we'll get something decent. Although I have found that some of my better paintings were totally unplanned. Okay, let's release the cup. Ooh, pretty colors. Seeing lots of cells, tons of cells. I don't know if you can see the cup, it's kind of dark. I'm going to use some of this extra paint to coat the edges, or the corners I mean. Really pretty. I'm going to get the torch and torch it to get the air bubbles out and to see what else comes up as far as cells. Very pretty colors. A lot more cells are developing. Okay, let's tilt it and see what we have. Unfortunately, it looks like I'm losing a lot of the cells. I'm trying to get rid of some of that blue. I think I have too much on there. Still have some cells coming up, a few little cells. Give it another minute or so and then I'm going to torch it again. Okay, let's give it another torch. Well, the colors came out really pretty. Lost a lot of the cells, but here you go. There's the leftovers from the day. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you already haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Stay tuned for close-ups. I'll see you next time. Bye.